Okay, so now we are gonna take everything that we cooked with the chicken. You can see that we have the chicken carcass in here and all the vegetables. And we're gonna put that in here. And I also added some extra vegetables. So I added some extra onion and fennel, and then I'm gonna throw these carrots in there. Okay, so in this pot, we have all of the parts from our chicken, and then I just filled it up to the max water line with some filtered water. And then we're gonna throw in some extra turmeric and some extra garlic, because you can't have too much garlic. And then we're gonna add some peppercorns. And the peppercorns are gonna help us maximize the effect of the antioxidant from the turmeric. And then one last secret ingredient. This helps extract the collagen from the bone. So this is really critical, and you wanna make sure that you're using apple cider vinegar with the mother, which is basically the probiotics, the bacteria in there. So give it a little swirl, and I like to do about 1 to 2 tablespoons for this much. And we'll put some salt in there, but I do like to be really careful with salt. You could always add it later, but it's impossible to take it away. So I'm very conservative with that. If anything, I tend to under-salt my food, and then I salt it right before serving to taste. And that's it. So the nice thing about using the Instant Pot is we can let this kind of cook all day long. And I'm actually gonna set it to cook throughout the night at the longest setting possible. And then I'm not gonna release the pressure, I'm just gonna naturally let it release. So this is gonna kind of simmer for at least 12 hours, which is great. So it's gonna extract all that collagen. So I have set it at soup broth at 4 hours and under pressure cook.
Good job, Mom.
Thanks, Grace. And then we wanna make sure that our tab is sealed. And we are set to go. I also threw in the chicken parts. So we have the chicken neck, the heart, and the liver. So that's gonna add an extra nutritional benefit to the broth. Okay, so we let our stock cook all night long. So I did the highest setting, the highest number of hours, which is 4 hours on the Instant Pot. And then you just let it release itself overnight. So you can do there's a valve that's a sealing and release. So you can force release, it lets the steam out. Or if you just don't touch it, it's like cooking all night long, and then slowly the pressure releases, but it's cooking. So it's more time, more collagen. And then I like to take it out, just let it not be so hot where it's hard to touch. And then I just put it in the refrigerator. So this is what we have after it's been in the refrigerator. You can see kind of all the fats that have come to the surface. Again, those are good, they're not bad. I used to skim them out, but you do not want to skim those out. We're gonna lose a little bit of it, but we're gonna keep some of it. So I have a stainless steel bowl and a stainless steel skimmer, and some of that fat is being lost, but some of it's going through. Look at that beautiful color. Now, it could even be more collagenous than this if I had utilized chicken feet or even some more necks. So if you really want to increase the collagen, you can do that. You can use chicken feet, you can get chicken necks, put it in there. Make sure it's organic, but the chicken, like I said before, I did that with my daughter's bone broth when she was a baby, and I think I gagged a little bit when I saw all the chicken feet in the hair. So if you can handle it, you're stronger than I am, because I had a tough time. Now we have our bowl. Whew, that was heavy. And you can see that we were able to keep a lot of that fat. So it's floating right on top. And then all we have to do is put it in some jars. Look at that. Oh, almost perfect fit. So we have a little bit extra, and I'm going to put that in here. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. So what you can do is you can take a piece of tape and then you just write down with a Sharpie and you put down with the tape what it is. In this case, it's chicken broth. And then you can label it and date it, and then you can put it in your freezer or your refrigerator. And there you have it. We made a beautiful bone broth, turmeric bone broth, out of the turmeric chicken that we made. And you can watch that in a video here. And we used all the parts of the chicken and all the vegetables, including the tops. We were not wasteful. And we used all of it to make this gorgeous, beautiful turmeric bone broth. And there's so many benefits to bone broth, and you can see that in the video here. So I recommend you check it out, watch it, and just incorporate this into your life. It's kind of, my little bit of homesteading. I love being able to prep as much food as I can at home. It keeps everybody as healthy as possible, and it's actually a really good way to save money and save time. So you're not spending as much time trying to think about what you're gonna eat and going to restaurants, spending that money, eating food that you don't know what's in it. So contrary to popular belief, it actually saves time to food prep. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you have a blessed day. Please leave a comment, let me know if there's any other recipes you would like me to cover and if you enjoyed this content. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like, comment, and share this video if it was a blessing to you. Here's another video for you to watch. Have a blessed day.